What was all that about? We'll get to that, don't worry. But before we talk about what was going on there, first I want to take you through Delia Smith's recipe for corned beef hash. It's hearty, it's delicious, it's easy to do, and it's also absolutely dirt cheap. Ready really quick, so we'll get on to that. If you don't know who Delia Smith is, by the way, she practically ruled TV cookery shows in England in the 70s, 80s and 90s, selling millions and millions of books and teaching a nation how to cook. But let's look at this recipe first. And so to make my corned beef hash, I'm going to start with 2 medium-sized potatoes, which I'm going to peel and dice very small. I'm going to simmer them in salted boiling water for about 5 minutes, drain them off, and then cover with a tea towel to steam while I get on with everything else. Meanwhile, I'll finely slice an onion and fry it in a hot pan for 2 or 3 minutes. You do want it to catch and to go gnarly. This is not a chefy restaurant dish. After they've had a few minutes frying and start to soften, add your potatoes to the pan. Give them a good mix around and ensure the edges are catching so that it gets, again, all toasty on the sides of the potato. After about another 4 or 5 minutes, take some tinned corned beef, dice it up and add to the pan. Season, and now add Worcester sauce and whole grain mustard. Keep cooking the whole thing so everything warms through and gets a bit gnarly. When everything's cooked, pop it to the side while you fry an egg per person. And there you'll have your corned beef hash topped with a fried egg. As well as food, Delia Smith loves football. Delia has a long association with Norwich City Football Club, which she and her husband Michael have supported financially since 1996, since becoming majority shareholders.
We were asked to be board directors because it was on the brink of bankruptcy. In desperation, he came to us. He said, if you would be able to put £1 million in, then you could have a seat on the board.
She describes football as the beautiful game, full of both joy and frustration, but above all valued it for the sense of community it creates.
It's disappointing, you have pain, you have ecstasy, it's all those things. And the community, because there aren't many areas of life now where there's still proper community.
Delia Smith isn't just known for the recipe. In 2005, during half-time at a Norwich City football match, she grabbed the mic and urged the crowd with the now famous line,
"Where are you? Let's be having you! Come on!"
This half-time incident at Carrow Road became an early meme in 2005. She explained she was just handed a mic and told to G the crowd up. She got a bit excited and carried away with herself and just said what was on her mind.
I was trying to get somebody to put it on the message board. Come on, where are you? And somebody just gave me the microphone and said, say it. And I forgot, Laura, and I just forgot that Sky were there.
She said she forgot that the television cameras were there. The reaction at the time was mixed, with some critics suggesting she'd overstepped the mark.
First week, there were people in the press saying I should be brought before a disciplinary committee at the FA.
But she later received letters of support from fans across the country, and it's the sort of thing people stop and say to her when they meet her in the street, and she says she's happy with that. It's become part of her public persona and shown she's not just the stiff upper lip schoolteacher type. Linking her no-nonsense cooking with her passion seems just on topic, and this is no-nonsense food. Taken from her How to Cook book series, this is nestled amongst the egg recipes, and let's give it a try. And this is properly no-nonsense food. Lots of lovely colouring, beef, potatoes, onions, and the egg just making it all unctuous and rich. And I'd recommend serving it with ketchup or brown sauce, as is your preference. So why did I do this recipe? Well, let's beef hashing you. Sorry.